Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making this video. I'm comparing three generators. So we're going to parallel three 2500 watt generators. So actually 2500 watt, 2500 watt, and 250 watt. 2250 watts. All right, this is the WAN 2250, the Cummins 2500, and the Westinghouse 2500. Together 7250 watts. And we're going to compare it against this 250 watt 50 amp Genmax generator. All right, so you have 750 watts, you have 7250 watts, then you have 250 watts. So let's see if you guys who wants to buy one generator or kind of be easy to move around and just buy three of them, carry them around, store them in your RV, go camping, use two if you want to, use one if you want to. And I'm going to answer this question before I even get started. So when I ran this and I try turning one on while the other one is running, it jumps around for a second before they sync up, and I don't think that's good. All right, so the question, can I start my generator while it's running and I have a load on it? I don't think you should do that. You might burn something. Okay, so let's get the test started. So what I have here is 4,000 watts of lights plus a heater, so you have 1,500 watts. So that gives us right about 5,500, which should overload at least one leg on the Genmax. If we had a way to get it on both legs, it wouldn't overload, but putting it on one leg kind of takes one leg over. Okay, so let's get this test started and see what we have. Let's start with the Genmax. I want to show you guys that running one generator is so much quieter than running three generators in parallel, and you'll see it. So I'm going to run this one first so you guys can kind of hear the difference. Let's get it hooked up. So we're going to use the 50 amp plug. Plug this in right here. So we got the 50 amp here, and over here I'm going to plug the heater. And the reason I'm doing it that way is because I'm coming from the 50 amp to 420 volt plugs right here to go to the lights. So we're using an adapter so I can power all the lights up. Once I turn the lights on, we'll see a little better, but right now it's getting dark and I want to get this test in. Okay, so let's fire this up. Let's go to gas, turn our power on, start the generator. Give it an eco mode. We're about 67, about 5 feet from it. No load. Let's start turning some lights on. 500. 1,000. 2,000. 3,000. 3,500 and 4,000. So just the lights, 4,000 watts. Just the lights, 77. Let's turn on the heater. position. Be right back. All right, guys, I hope you can see it. It's dark. I wanted to do this in the night just because of the lights. So I have the parallel kit hooked up, 50 amp, all the lights, and on the other side I have the heater. So let's start these lights up. Let's start the generator up. 500. Oh wait, before we turn the lights on, we need to get a base DB 5 feet away. About 72.4. All right, let's hit them with all the lights. 5, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 25, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000 lights. Let's call it 79.7. Guys, they're noisy. I don't care how you guys put it, this is noisy. Let's turn that heater on. 5,000 watts. That's what we got over here. This thing is absolutely quiet, by the way. Alright guys, there you have it. So they both supported 5,000 watt with no problem. If I was gonna do this, my way would just be get the 7250. This is a lot of work. You got 3 generators to hook up, 3 generators to service. The parallel kit, it works great. It works great. You'll be able to pull all the power you need, but I'm telling you, it's louder and it's more hooking up. Yes, you can put these in your RV and be done with it. This is 150 pounds, 140 something pounds. These are easier to carry, but I don't like all this work. So I would go with this one. Guys, it's dark. It's getting darker. Let's wrap this video up. There you go, the test. I just wanted to do this to show you guys that it can be done. I wanted to get 7,250 watts and 7,250 watts and parallel them together to show you guys that it can be done with the Genmax parallel kit. If you guys want this parallel kit, it's on my website. I'll put the link down in the description. It's an awesome parallel kit. I do have a review on this. 50 on this side, and you have the 30 amp on this side. So if you have a 50 amp RV or a 30 amp RV, you can use this. You can actually use both of them at the same time, like I did just now, and this one too. So this is on the website as well. I will put the link for the 7250 as well. Okay guys, thanks for watching. All these I'll put them on there on the website. Guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.